Today we're going to look at square roots. And the first problem is the square root of 16. And a square root really means that a number, something, multiplied by the exact same number is going to equal whatever's inside of the square root. Equals 16. So what number times that same number equals 16? The answer is 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. So the square root of 16 equals 4. When we're working with decimals, they can get a little tricky of where that decimal is going to go in our answer. We know that 5 times 5 equals 25, but is it answer going to be 5, 0.5, 0.05? To make sure we're correct, I like to turn this decimal into a fraction, which is 25 hundredths. And then we can apply the square root to the top and the bottom. So 5 times 5 is 25. And 10 times 10 is 100. So that is going to equal 0.5, 5/10. Similarly, with fractions, that square root applies to the top and the bottom of the fraction. So we're going to get 3. Because 3 times 3 is 9, over 5. 5 times 5 is 25, so the answer is 3/5. And lastly, we get to negative numbers. That's what we do all year, remember? 8th grade, negative year. So we have a negative 16 in our square root. Negatives do not belong inside a square root because we cannot have a number times the same number equals a negative 16. We can try and do 4s, but 4 times 4 is 16. That doesn't work. Negative 4 times negative 4. A negative times a negative is also 16, so that doesn't work. So nothing multiplied by the same thing equals negative 16. So we write no solution. It's math class, not spelling class. All right. Good luck with your homework.